Good day, my name is Matladi and I'm a student teacher completing the CIC2601 assignment. Today I'll reflect on my grade 6 Natural Science and Technology lesson on the solar system. The topic of my lesson was the solar system. The lesson objective were for my learners to identify the 8 planets in the correct order from the sun, explain the characteristics of the planets, and create a digital poster showing the solar system. To introduce the lesson, I played a short educational YouTube video about the solar system using a projector. The video captured the learner's attention and introduced the names and orders of the planets. After the video, I asked learners questions about what they had observed. This encouraged participation and helped me assess their prior knowledge. I believe this activity was effective because learners were engaging and excited to learn about space. The visuals and animations made it easier for them to remember the names of the planets. According to the SAMR model, this activity is at the substitution level because the video replaced a traditional textbook explaining while presenting the same context in a more engaging format. During the development phase, learners worked in pairs using tablets and computers to explore an interactive solar system simulation. They investigated each planet by reading information about its size, color, position, and movement around the sun. They then completed a worksheet by recording the important facts. My role was to demonstrate how to use the simulation, guide learners through the activity, answer questions, and support learners who needed assistance. The learners explored the simulation, discussed their observation with their partners, and completed the worksheet. This activity promoted active learning because learners discovered information independently instead of only listening to the teacher. According to the SAMR model, this activity is at the modification level because technology significantly improved the learning task by allowing learners to interact with a dynamic model of the solar system. To conclude the lesson, learners created a digital poster using Microsoft Point where they arranged the 8 planets in the correct order and added key facts about the planets. Some learners presented their posters to the class, which encouraged confidence and communication skills. My role was to explain the task, provide support, assess the poster, and give constructive feedback. The learners demonstrated creativity and applied what they had learned during the lesson. This activity helped learners consolidate their knowledge by organizing information in a visual and meaningful way. According to the SAMR model, this activity is at the redefination level because technology enabled learners to create and present digital products that could easily be shared and improved. Throughout the lesson, my role was to facilitate learning, provide clear instruction, encourage participation, monitor learners' process, and offer support where needed. I also created opportunities for learners to collaborate and use ICT responsibly. The learners actively participated by watching the video, exploring the interactive simulation, completing the worksheets, and creating digital posters that represented their work. They worked collaboratively and asked questions about the solar system. Overall, I believe the lesson was successful because learners were actively engaging throughout the activities. The use of ICT increased their motivation and made abstract concepts easier to understand. The interactive simulation and digital poster actively encouraged critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity. If I were to teach this lesson again, I would provide additional time for learners to explore the simulation and include a short online quiz at the end of the lesson to assess their understanding immediately. To sum up my presentation, The integrity in grade 6 natural science lesson made learning more engaging, interactive, and learner-centered. The technology supported the lesson objective and helped learners develop both scientific knowledge and digital skills. Thank you.